Hi Jayashree, had your lunch?
Yes, I had it.
I did
And
not
you?
have. I did not have. After work, I've just come here for recording. After I do the recording completion, then I'll go to have my lunch. Okay, so for
Okay.
today, are you ready for a new session?
Yes, I'm ready.
And you're looking very beautiful today. In the last session, you were a bit nervous. You look like you're coming there for the first time. But today, you are looking little confident than the previous session. Okay, so today for today's topic, I have taken a topic which is very easy and actually related to your life. And that topic is related to you actually, being a girl. How is it?
Yes,
Can you speak on it? Some sentences on it.
yes.
Sure. Okay,
I'm
so,
I'm lucky that I'm a girl.
oh, really?
Uh,
I'm also lucky being a girl. But I have some questions to impose on you being a girl. Do you have faced any difficulties? First of all, I want to know, have you seen any difference in your childhood between a girl child or a boy child? Not in your family, maybe, but anywhere around you.
yes, that basic difference is girls are known for their kindness and sensitivity, but boys are equally sensitive, but they are unable to express it. Girls
Right,
are very easily come to you and tell her problems and emotions to you, but
right.
boys would not.
Okay, this is the difference you have seen. Have you
Yes,
ever seen in your childhood or heard anywhere that a girl child is not allowed to take birth, whereas parents expect only boy child to be their son, right? Have you seen anywhere?
yes,
Did this
yes.
happen in your
In
neighborhood?
no, uh, in my
Actually,
family means
uh,
in, related to cousins and uncle and aunties, and
okay, in your
their in their
relatives,
family.
in
Yes,
your relatives, you have seen it. I have seen it at my place too. Many of them. In fact, it has become illegal. Still, people go and check for a girl child. If it is a girl child, they abort it even before she takes birth. So this is a major problem in India. I've seen since the childhood that a girl is not an expected or adored child for parents, right? Second question I would like to know from you is, what has been the hardest part for you being a girl? Being a girl, has any strange situation happened with you in your life?
um, basically, I believe that every girl
Hmm.
is thinks that she can't do anything because she is a girl.
Yeah,
This
right.
is negative thinking, and girls could not go out. She is restricted,
Yes, right.
whereas boys can go out freely.
It is somewhere
Freedom.
girls want to go out, but they are not allowed to go out. They could not go out is not the right one, but they are not allowed to go out. We have a preservative environment. We have a eyes of our parents or in fact our relatives keeping a watch on every girl child in their family, isn't it? And that's the hardest part. I
Yes.
I completely agree to it. Something rather than this, I would like to know that what are your views regarding dowry system in India?
Um, Dowry system in India is referred as Dahej,
The age, right?
and uh, the durable goods, cash, and
Right.
movable properties are given by the brides to the groom because his conditions and with his parents.
Do you
Dowry
think
system is
this, yeah, dowry system is correct or incorrect? What are your views about this?
it's illegal.
It's illegal. Yeah,
I believe
everybody,
that,
I
yeah.
everybody knows that it's illegal, but do we really practice? Everybody knows that it's illegal, but nobody practices. Everybody has to go through it. Everybody has made it a religious thing, as if we have to do this at any cost. People get happy if
Yes,
there's a boy child in their family, they'll be happy that we have a boy child, we'll be receiving dowry. And if it's a girl child, people suffer thinking that we have to pay somebody a dowry, right? So do
yes,
you think it
and
should stop?
yes, taking dowry should be less. I think that because the dowry system can put great financial burden on the bride's family.
True.
So it should be less
Hmm.
in future.
And one more thing, apart from dowry, if I'm talking about a girl, there are many cases we keep hearing in India about the crimes related to girls. Do you feel
Yes.
a girl is safe in this environment?
Uh, as women's safety is violated in their daily life
I
in
know,
public or private places.
exactly.
Um,
Women are not safe,
and
right? Women are not safe.
yes,
You talk about urban area or rural area or anywhere you go, scare is always there in a girl's mind, everywhere. In fact,
mm,
I've seen in urban places in near my area, I've seen that people, those who are very rich, they employ their girl child to karate classes, to self-building ability so that she can protect herself in a near future. But this all is good. To some extent, it is good, but there is something unstable in our environment we cannot cope up with. And unsafety is always there with us, isn't it?
yes,
Okay, I have a question that forget safe environment, forget dowry. If I talk about marriage, if I talk about marriage about a girl, what do you
mm,
think? Marriage changes her life? I'm personally talking about
yes,
yourself. By the way, when are you
yes.
getting married?
Uh,
You have not thought of it?
no,
Okay, so you're not planning to get married sooner, right?
yes,
Okay. So what are your views regarding marriage? Does marriage change a woman's life?
yes. Marriage is one of the biggest things uh, in our life decision will
True,
make.
true.
And marriage changes the role of both man and woman also. It has more impact on daily lives of women
Right.
because she becomes more responsible and
Response
reliable. Her decision making style also changes.
changes.
Uh, she gives special attention to her family,
Right.
and she's
If she's
yeah,
working, then her responsibility doubles. She has to work
yes,
also, take care of the family also, manage house chaos, and if she has children, it's tripled. She has to take care of children's studies also, isn't it? Everything becomes a
yes,
responsibility for a woman. It's not just a woman, even men have to take care of all this. But if we are talking about women, so we're particularly very concerned about women for today, right? So apart
yes,
from this, I want to know something that what are your views about girl child? Are you blessed to be your girl? Do you feel you
yes.
are blessed to be a
I am
girl? You are.
yes, I am blessed that I am
Why,
a
if you
girl,
were,
and
if you were a boy, then you would have thought of being a
no,
girl?
yes, because my parents love me so much,
Okay,
and being a girl means a lot to me.
really, that's
Yes,
nice. So I would like to end today's session. I must tell you, you are very, very, very confident. Since the first session, I can see a major change in you. And I hope that this keeps continuing and we see forward
yes,
more sessions. At the end, I would like to ask you, do you have any other questions? If you want to ask me, particularly,
yes.
really.
I want to know from you that being a girl, you got freedom in your life.
Freedom. If I talk about freedom, you can see me, I'm working here as a YouTuber. So you can judge actually that I have received freedom all my life. I am allowed to take decisions on my own, and I am living the life of my own choice. Just there's a thing that I have to take permission from my parents before going a step ahead. Doing anything, I have to take their approval. Can I do this or not? If they say yes, you can, and then I'm ready to go. And then I don't think about the society. I do not think about the relatives. I do not think of anyone. Whatever they may say, I'm not concerned if my parents are with me. So I have been fortunate all my life. I have received freedom. I have received everything. I must say, every girl child should get parents like us, like yours and mine, right? Who support a girl child and they do not abandon the girl child. They do not think of them
Yes.
as a responsibility, right? Equally, raising is important. Raising a girl and a boy child equal way, in an equal manner is important, isn't it?
Yes. Of course.
So anything else except this?
No.
Okay, then we'll end the session for today. I could see a positive change in you. I want this to continue forward. Okay, and I'll see better changes next time. I hope so. Okay, so ending for
Yes.
today's session. Thanks for coming on my channel. See you in the next class. Okay,
Okay.
bye bye and take care.
Bye.